Finding the vertex of a parabola when given its equation in standard form. Okay, so here's our problem right here. If this was given to us in vertex form, it would be very, very simple, but it's not. So we got to find the vertex when it's given in standard form, okay? So you could just convert it to vertex form if you learned how to do that. If you haven't learned how to do that, then we do it like this. Okay, we find the x value using the vertex equation. Okay, and the vertex equation for the x value is negative b over 2a. Okay, that's just something you have to memorize for now. Okay, so to find where, that's basically where the center of the parabola will be. Okay, right, because the parabola is either going to go like this, or it's going to go like this. Okay, and then the center will be through that point. Okay, so here we go. So here it is right here. So I substituted the values. So negative b. So b here is 14. So I put negative and then the 14, right? 2 times a. So 2 and then a here is negative 1. Okay, don't forget that. Okay. There we go. And then, so after I simplified it, that becomes negative 14 over negative 2, which becomes 7. Okay, so now I got the x value. So I know where the center is going to be. I don't know how high, right? So now the simplest way, I think, is to take that x value and then simply substitute it into the original equation. Okay? So I take that 7, right, that I got from finding the x value here, and just substitute it in, right? Okay, so then I evaluate right here, and I get negative 4. So that tells me the vertex will be at 7, comma negative 4. Okay, you don't even have to graph it or anything. Alright, that completes our problem.